Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this today's video, we are going to learn how to create a file as well as edit a file using one of the highly advanced text editor called Vim Editor. So this Vim Editor comes pre-installed in most of our Linux distribution system. So let's get started with some of our examples. So currently, I'm in my Ubuntu terminal. So as I said, let's create a file using Vim Editor. So one more thing, when you write a file name, if the file is not existing, by default, Vim creates the new file. So just type Vim and provide the file name which you want to create. Just type abc.txt. This is my new file name and just do enter. If you see, the file got opened inside this Vim editor. So this Vim editor consists of two modes. One is normal mode, one is insert mode. So normal, we are in currently in the normal mode. In order to type or add any data inside the file, you need to switch from normal mode to insert mode. So let's switch. In order to switch to insert mode, type I. So that's all guys. If you see in the bottom here, it shows insert. So currently we are in insert mode, which says you can add data inside this file. So let me type my YouTube channel name. YouTube name is equals to Infra with Rahul. So I am done with adding this content. Now, whenever you want to save this file, you need to go back to the normal mode. So in order to go back, type escape, shift, colon, W which says save, write and save. And in order to quit from this editor, type Q and just to enter. Now, if you see, the file should be created with the name abc.txt and with the content with my YouTube channel name. Let's do ls to verify. If you see, abc.txt has been created. And in order to verify the content, we use cat command. As you already know, this is used to read the files. And just do abc.txt. Provide the file name which you want to read and just to enter. See, whatever we have provided inside the file, it's been same over here. This is how we use Vim Editor to create a file and add the contents. Okay. Now let's learn about some of the features of Vim Editor. Okay. Currently, so we have one of the existing file called app.config. Let's open it using Vim Editor. Just do Vim and provide the file name app.config and just to enter. See, the file got opened now. Okay. I will show you some of the navigation shortcuts how to use inside this Vim Editor. And always remember, these navigation shortcuts are used under normal mode, not under your insert mode. Insert mode is used to only insert the data or add the data inside the file. Okay. So now I will show you one of the navigation keys. If you want to go down or scroll down, you need to type K. If you see here, sorry, okay, it's J, okay. And if you want to go down, you need to type J. See, we are moving downside. Similar way, if you want to scroll up, you need to type K. Just type K, no control, no shift, nothing. Just type on your keyboard as a K, okay. These are some of the navigation tools. See, keys, okay. And now, if I want to move to the left side on the version, just type H. Similar way, if you want to move to the right side, you need to type L. Okay. And now, if you want to go back to the last line, just type capital G. See, we are into the last line. Now, if you want to go back to the first line, type double G. Not a capital one, a lowercase g. Type it double time. G, G. See, we are into the first line. So these are some of the navigation keys inside this Vim editor. Now you think that I want to scroll down. So I'm typing J. Okay. And I want to add data below this version. So in order to do this, just type O. Now you are into the insert mode. And you can type whatever you want. So I will provide it a name as YouTube uh, is equals to Infra with Rahul and save this file. So I'm done with my addition. So let me come back to the, as I said earlier, if you want to save this file, just type escape. Oh, but the thing is, my scenario is different. Now I don't want to save this file, just I want to quit it. How we can do this? Just type escape colon. As I said earlier, you want to save whatever you have written, you need to type is W. No, I don't want to save that thing. Just I want to quit. Just type Q and the exclamatory which says force quit and just to enter. Let's verify. Let me do cat app.config, and if you see over here, see it is not saved. Okay, this is how we use some of the features inside Vim editor. So that's all for today. In next video I will show you how to search, how to delete, how to copy paste inside the Vim editor. So if you like my content, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye. And all these commands whatever I have used and shortcut keys I will be providing in our description. Okay, take care guys, bye bye, have a great day ahead.